Hello everyone, it's me Sai and today we are going to be making a shape calculator in Python. So we are going to have circle, triangle, rhombus, square and rectangle as our shapes, and we're going to have some more other shapes, especially 3D shapes, in the next episode. So first step, we need to import math.py from the math module. Then we're going to give some definitions. Define circle, and in the parentheses we are going to put it as r, which is radius, because we need radius to find all the things necessary for the circle. So return math.py. So this thing is gonna print out the area. So I'm just gonna put as circle A, which is circle area. Then we're gonna do for diameter, so which is radius into 2. So circle D, which is diameter, this should be as R. Return R into 2. Okay, then the other one should be circumference. So define circle C. And once again we need to have radius. So 2 into math.py into r. So these are all the three basic things for the circle. Now we need to ask the radius. So first we'll print this. Then we need to give some code for it to ask us the radius. So first we need to make sure that we are selecting the circle. So shape, so if shape is equal to, so 2 times equal to is equal to 1, which is circle, as and a final ending statement, which is else print invalid state, and we need to get the answer back. So we need to print circle A. So circle A is area, so it's going to be as area, and we're just gonna put as circle A. And in the brackets we're going to put as r, because we don't know which input are we taking, so we're going to take it from this. And repeat the same thing for the others as well. And let's see if our code works. It is showing that it is an invalid syntax, which is math.py. Let's put it as import. Now it should work. Enter the radius of the circle. Let's put it as 5. Yay! So the area, diameter is 10 because 5 times 2 is 10, and circumference 31.41 and all. Now in the last episode we have discussed how to only get the first 3 decimals, then the whole number part. So we're just going to do that. That's by using the syntax round. Number of decimal places shown by the calculator just by increasing or decreasing the number over. But in this case I'm putting it as 3. And now for radius I'm going to put it as 8 point this number. Yes, now it's rounding up to only 3 decimal places, so which is short and sweet. Now let's do the same thing for the other shapes, which is triangle, rhombus, square. Welcome back, guys, and as you saw in the time lapse, I have made made triangle, rhombus, square and rectangle. Now let's just test it, and before that let's just put what are the values, you can say, not the values but which shape are we using. So enter 1 for circle, so we'll just put it as 1 dash, or we could do another way, which is that enter the shape and you can just print out all these things. And let's just test it. Invalid syntax. Oh, I need to put it as for start, which is for into. Oh yes, we are getting all these things. So let's just test circle. Enter the radius. Let's put it as 5 point, like this, 5.32145. Yes, we are getting that. Then what about rectangle? Yes. But as you saw, I was closing it and opening it again. I don't want like that just to put a new entry. So I just wanted to put this thing in a loop. So for that, we need to put this whole thing in one tab. A tab is basically like 4 spaces. Okay, now we need to put the statement loop is equal to 1 while loop is smaller than 1000. I just entered the number 1000 because I want this code to repeat 1000 times. So it's your wish, you could put it as 5 times or 10 times or even 1 million times. But by the time we would close the program. Okay. While loop is smaller than 1000, loop plus 1. Let's try this again. Oops, I forgot to put a colon. Now let's try it. Yes, now it's opening. So enter shape. Let's put it rhombus. Diagonal would be some random number. It might even be negative numbers. So minus 0. Enter the side. Let's put it minus 5 point. And it's telling that the side would be 7. I guess. Oh, in the code I just forgot to give it like this. Number 3 for rhombus, diagonal, or some big number. Yeah, this number would be perfect. What about this number? Yes, now it's working. And friends, remember when you are doing if you have multiple flow inputs, and if you want to use those inputs in a mathematical expression or something like I did, always remember to put a comma, because I forgot to put a comma and it was showing as an error. Even the same thing applies over here, where I did not put a comma in PQ and it thought that it was like a one whole thing. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and in the next episode we'll continue the calculator and we'll add various other shapes including 3D objects, and it's going to be really fun. Thank you.